Welcome back, student. In this video we are going to take care of links, which comes in under tab which is insert, and there are three options that you will get to see, that is hyperlink, bookmark and cross reference. However, we are going to start with the bookmark. Now what is bookmark? I am setting my cursor over here. So bookmark, create a bookmark to assign a name to a specific point in a document. You can make hyperlink that jumps directly to a bookmarked location. That is what bookmark is. In simple words, you can mark any particular place in a document so that it can be used as a cross reference or can be for the hyperlink, and you can reach up to that bookmarked place also with the help of go to function. How to bookmark any place? It is very easy. You need to select that area. Remember one thing, it is not necessary to select a text. Simply you can set your cursor over here and you can go for the bookmark in order to bookmark this place and giving it a specific name. So why I am doing the selection? I am doing the selection in order to ease out things while doing the cross reference, because the text that I am going to select can be used as a bookmark, as a cross reference text. So I have made a selection of this particular text. I am going to bookmark this place, going for bookmark, and here you need to give a name. So I am giving intro, click on add. This is it. So this place has been bookmarked. Similarly, I am going here, let's say this is Harishchandra. So again I am doing the selection of this area, going for bookmark, giving it a name, that is, let's say Harish, add, and bookmark has done. Now one of the advantages, let's say I am here and I want to reach to intro, that is the bookmark that I have done in the introduction or the first page of the document. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do Ctrl G or F5, that's a go to function, and here you can see this bookmark option. I have made a selection of bookmark and I'm going for this intro, go to, and I've reached to that particular place. Another advantage is the cross reference. Let's say I'm here and I am going to make use of the text of intro and going to create a cross reference or a hyperlink to that. What does this mean actually? I'm going for cross reference by setting my cursor over here, going for bookmark. I'm going to use this intro bookmark, click on insert. So while I've created a bookmark intro by selecting one particular text, so that text is going to reflect here. Not only this text will create a link to that particular bookmark place also. So when I'm going to click here, I will reach. So this is how bookmark and cross reference can be used. In the next video we are going to understand hyperlink. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.